Question number 1 is explain the term non-conventional energy. Answer to question number 1 is non-conventional energy refers to alternative energy sources that are sustainable and less harmful to the environment, such as solar, wind and geothermal energy. Question number 2 is what are the uses of copper? Answer to question number 2 is copper is used in electrical wiring, plumbing, roofing and manufacture of industrial machinery and electronic products due to its high conductivity and malleability. Question number 3 is name 2 major coal producing states in India. Answer to question number 3 is Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are major coal producing states in India. Question number 4 is what is the significance of the Neyveli lignite field? Answer to question number 4 is the Neyveli lignite field in Tamil Nadu is significant for its large reserves of lignite, which is used for power generation and industrial purposes. Question number 5 is explain the term ferrous minerals. Answer to question number 5 is ferrous minerals are those that contain iron. They are essential for the production of steel and include minerals like iron ore, manganese and chromite. Question number 6 is what is the primary use of iron ore? Answer to question number 6 is the primary use of iron ore is to produce steel, which is essential in construction, manufacturing, transportation and various other industries. Question number 7 is name 2 minerals used in the electronics industry. Answer to question number 7 is copper and mica are used in the electronic industry due to their conductive and insulating properties respectively. Question number 8 is what is geothermal energy? Answer to question number 8 is geothermal energy is derived from the heat stored within the Earth's interior and can be used for power generation and direct heating appliances. Question number 9 is state 2 advantages of using natural gas. Answer to question number 9 is natural gas is a cleaner burning fossil fuel that produces fewer pollutants and greenhouse gases compared to coal and oil. It is also highly efficient for electricity generation. Question number 10 is name 2 states in India known for bauxite production. Answer to question number 10 is Odisha and Chhattisgarh are known for bauxite production in India. Question number 11 is what is the significance of the Zawar mines? Answer to question number 11 is the Zawar mines in Rajasthan are significant for their production of zinc, which is important for galvanizing and alloy production. Question number 12 is what is the primary use of chromite? Answer to question number 12 is chromite is primarily used in the production of ferrochrome, which is an essential ingredient in the manufacture of stainless steel. Question number 13 is name 2 renewable sources of energy. Answer to question number 13 is solar energy and wind energy are 2 renewable sources of energy. Question number 14 is what is the main use of petroleum? Answer to question number 14 is the main use of petroleum is as a fuel for transportation like gasoline, diesel, heating and electricity generation. It is also a raw material for various chemical products including plastics and pharmaceuticals. Question number 15 is explain the term lignite. Answer to question number 15 is lignite, also known as brown coal, is a low-grade brownish black coal with high moisture content and low carbon content, used primarily for electricity generation. Question number 16 is name two states with significant limestone. Answer to question number 16 is Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh have significant limestone reserves. Question number 17 is what are the benefits of using solar energy? Answer to question number 17 is benefits of using solar energy include its abundance renewability, low environmental impact, and potential to reduce electricity costs and reliance on fossil fuels. Question number 18 is name two regions in India rich in iron ore deposits. Answer to question number 18 is the Odisha-Jharkhand belt and the Durg-Bastar-Chandrapur belt in Chhattisgarh are rich in iron ore deposits. Question number 19 is what is the role of manganese in steel production? Answer to question number 19 is manganese is used in steel production to improve hardness, durability, and resistance to wear and corrosion. Question number 20 is name two advantages of hydroelectric power. Answer to question number 20 is advantages of hydroelectric power includes its renewable nature, low operating costs, and the ability to provide a stable and reliable source of electricity. Question number 21 is what is the importance of biogas in rural areas? Answer to question number 21 is biogas is important in rural areas as it provides a clean and sustainable source of energy for cooking and lighting, reduces dependence on firewood, and helps manage waste. Question number 22 is explain the term non-metallic minerals. Answer to question number 22 is non-metallic minerals do not contain metals and are used in various industries for their physical and chemical properties. Examples include limestone, gypsum, and mica. Question number 23 is which is the finest quality of iron ore with magnetic qualities? Answer to question number 23 is magnetite. Question number 24 is which is the highest quality of hard coal? Answer to question number 24 is anthracite. Question number 25 is which mineral is indispensable for electric and electronic industries? Answer to question number 25 is mica. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.